All right, Mr. Brookway, go ahead and unbutton for us. All right. So there we go. And you're a young guy, aren't you?
48.
48, yeah. Now, so you have a case of shingles, which is zoster, right? Varicella zoster. This is leftover from chickenpox when you were a kid, right? And
Yeah.
you had chickenpox, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so 99.9% of us are at risk of having this happen or of having had chickenpox. Okay, so 99.9% of us are at risk. About a third of us will actually get this. Now, there is a vaccine that is available that you can get to help prevent this. And a lot of people don't know this. Did you know about the vaccine?
I did not.
All right, so the vaccine, the new one's called Shingrix. It's actually 2 injections. You get the first one, the second one 2 months later, but not more than 6. Unfortunately, you'll have to wait a while before you can get yours because you have an active lesion. The problem for you, though, is we wouldn't even have suggested this for you until age 50. So you would have slipped into the cracks anyway, most likely. So sorry about that. But the good thing is we've got some medication that we can give you to help.
Thank you.
And it'll help with the pain and it'll help this clear up faster. Now the question a lot of people have is this contagious or not? The answer is yes. If you have a weeping wound, a weeping lesion, then it actually is infectious for chicken pox, okay? It's not infectious for shingles. It would give somebody potentially, like if you came across somebody who had cancer, was receiving therapy, so they'd be immunocompromised, or a person who is on one of these medications that is designed to suppress an autoimmune disorder, like something, a medication like Humira, for example. And there's lots of these. They end with the AB names. But nonetheless, they would be at risk of getting chickenpox. So you want, but that doesn't mean you can't work and things like that. So what you have to do is just keep your hands clean and make sure that you keep a shirt on and that you don't, touch or scratch or anything like that, and you'll be fine.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for us?
No, the contagious was an issue for me because
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah. So, Mr. Brookway, appreciate you sharing your story with us on YouTube.
Thank you.
All right, man. If you have any problems with us down the road, you're going to let us know, right?
Yes, sir.
Good deal. We'll give you some prescriptions and get you on your way. Thanks.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.